CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 6.1 Explain fundamental security concepts and frameworks. Personal privacy considerations. In this video segment, we're focusing on personal privacy considerations, a critical part of working in any digital environment. In the world of IT, personal privacy means protecting information that can be linked to a specific individual. Whether it's stored on a device or transmitted over a network, this kind of information needs to be handled with care to prevent misuse, identity theft, or legal violations. One of the most common types of sensitive data is something called personally identifiable information, or PII. This includes any information that can be used to identify an individual. Examples include your full name, address, email, phone number, date of birth, and even things like your social security number. Because PII is often tied to a person's identity, it's usually protected by strict privacy laws. Mishandling this kind of data can lead to serious consequences for both individuals and organizations. Another type of sensitive information is protected health information, or PHI. This includes medical records, treatment histories, lab results, or anything related to a person's health that can be traced back to them. PHI is often stored by healthcare providers, insurance companies, and billing services, and it's governed by regulations that are even stricter than those for general PII. If you work with health-related data in IT, protecting PHI isn't just best practice, it's required by law. Now let's zoom out and talk about international privacy regulations, starting with the General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR. This is a major privacy law passed by the European Union, and it affects any company, no matter where it's based, that collects or processes data from people in the EU. GDPR requires organizations to get clear consent before collecting personal data, and it gives users the right to access, correct, or delete their information. It also places strict rules around how data is stored and shared. Even if you're working in the US, if your company has EU customers or users, GDPR still applies. One of the most visible examples of GDPR compliance shows up in something we all see every day: cookie consent banners. Cookies are small pieces of data that websites store on your device. Some are essential. For example, they keep you logged in. Others are used for tracking behavior, advertising, or analytics. Under laws like GDPR, websites must let users know what cookies are being used and get their consent before storing any that are not essential. That is why you often see a pop-up asking if you accept all cookies when you visit a new site. To wrap things up, protecting personal information in IT means more than just following rules. It's about respecting users' privacy, securing sensitive data, and creating systems that are both safe and transparent. Whether you're storing a customer's name, handling patient records, or designing a website that uses cookies, every decision you make matters when it comes to personal privacy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.